Hello everyone. In this video lecture, let us discuss about the topic interfacing LCD display. LCD. So LCD is nothing but liquid crystal display. So it is an output display device widely used in embedded system. So the liquid crystal displays are created by sandwiching a thin, that means 10 to 12 micron layer of a liquid crystal fluid between two glass plates. So they are transparent electrically conductive film or back plane is put on a rear glass sheet. So the transparent section of conductive film in the shape of a desired characters are coated on the front glass plate. So when a voltage is applied between the segment and the back plane, so an electric field is created in this region, so under the segment. So this electric field changes the transmission of the light through the region under the segment film. So it consumes very less power. So the liquid crystal display is a very popular for displaying in embedded applications. So LCD comes in several varieties. It is 16 cross 2, 20 cross 2 and 20 cross 4, etc. These different LCD varieties can display different number of characters. That means 16 into 2 can display 32 characters at a time. Next, this one represents the 16 cross 2 LCD pin details. Here the first 3 pins are the power supply pins and the next 3 pins are the control signal, and remaining 8 pins are the data lines, and last 2 pins are the that is a LED connected pins. So the backlight, then the display will be lit up. So for VSS is connected to ground and VCC is connected to the positive power supply. When V is connected to the negative power supply, the RS signal is nothing but the register select. RW bar is nothing but the write signal and read write signal, and EN is enable signal. So here the DB0 is the LSB and DB7 is the MSB. So these signals are the data lines. So LED plus and LED minus are the backlight, then the display will be lit up. So now discuss about the control signals. So here there are 3 control pins. That is, one is RS, RW bar and enable signal. These are all the control pins. So this is our power supply pins. Okay, so these 3 are the control pins. Suppose RS is 0. If RS is 0, that means then the instruction register is select. Suppose RS is equal to 1, that means the data register is select. So if RW bar is 0, that shows that writing into the instruction register. So if RW bar is 1, read the operation from the LCD. Okay, so here RS 0, RW bar is 0. That means instruction register write internal operations. So instead of RW bar 0, here this is 1, means the busy flag is set. That is DB7 is equal to 1 and address counter read. So next RS1 and RW bar 0. That means data register write, internal operation. Whereas 1 means RW1 means data register read, that is the internal operations. We mentioned that the LCD comes with 2 lines. Before that, the busy flag is 1, means the module is performing internal operation, no instruction will be executed. So we mentioned that the LCD comes with 2 lines. Each line you can find 16 characters. So the address values of those 16 characters is what is given in this diagram. The first line starting address is 0x80 and ended with 0x8f. Similarly, for second line starting address is 0xC0 and ended with 0xCF. So here this one is 16 into 2 LCD interfacing. Here in each row display 16 characters. So in the first row 1 to 16 and second row there is a 1 to 16. So the row 1 is 80 will be the starting address and row 2 is C0 is the starting address. So next the sum of the LCD comments are presented here in this table. So the first one, the function set, that means 8-bit single line 5/7 dots. You can give the instruction 30. And similarly for 2 lines instead of single line, double line means so 38 you are giving the LCD comment. And similarly the function set 4-bit, that is a single line 5/7 dots is give the instruction 20. And instead of 2 lines means so 28. Next one, entry mode. Entry mode is you give the instruction 06. So display off and cursor off. You give the display comment, that is 08. So display on, cursor on. You give the LCD comment 0E. So display on, cursor off. So that you are giving the comment 0C. Display on, cursor blinking, that means 0F. So next, shift entire display to the left. That means you give the hexadecimal comment is 18. So shift entire display to the right means that is 1C. So move the cursor left by 1 character. That means 10 instead of right. So instead of that is 14. So clear display is 01. So set DDRAM address or cursor position on display. That means 0x80 plus address, and set CGRAM address or set pointer to CGRAM location. That means 0x40 plus address. Next, this one is the sum of the initialization command for LCD display. So here first send 38 is the 8-bit data line for initialization. Send 0F for the for making display on and the cursor blinking on. Send 0C hex, that means hexadecimal number. So for incrementing the cursor position or entry mode. Send 01 means for clearing the display and return the cursor. Clearing the display and return the cursor. Now to program with the LCD display, so first step to get some of the steps to get the comments. So first step, place the comments on port. Then mask RS is equal to 0 and next one mask RW bar is 0. So make write enable high to low, then call delay. And similarly for some of the steps to give data. So that means place the data on the port, mask RS is equal to 1 and make RW bar is 0. That is make write enable high to low. So call for delay 10 milliseconds. So repeat that there is the same process by sending more and more information on your LCD display. To prepare this video lecture, I used these references. So thank you for watching this video.